Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another interesting knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Fintiso Falcon, and let's go ahead and get into it. The pivot screw is a T8, and there it goes. We'll drop that into the alcohol bath there. And then we'll grab a T6. I believe the T6, yep, body screws are T6. And from the feel of it, this one's going to pop right apart. There we go. No problem at all. Just remove that. We'll drop the bearings into alcohol there, and bearings over there. Pretty simple. You've got the, let me drop the pivot out as well and drop it in. You've got heavily skeletonized liners there for weight reduction. Alright, let's get some alcohol pads and just go ahead and wipe everything down. Pretty simple construction there. Oops. Wiping that lock face off there. We'll go ahead and wipe the blade down as well. I do like the kind of a gray coating on the blade there. Not usually much of a fan of a coated blade, but that seems to work okay. Go ahead and wipe down the outside of that G10 as well. That is pretty heavily milled and contoured there. And I did drop that out, so we'll wipe that off and pop that back in there. And then we'll get this lock side, wiping off that and making sure we catch that lock face on the lock bar. Alright, and then also nicely shaped clip there. Of course, this is not a review. This is just the just me disassembling and cleaning it. We'll go ahead and grab the bearings out. Wipe those off and let them be drying. Same for this one here. Grab the pivot screw and switch back over to that T8. I'm just going to grasp that pivot screw with my fingers. Put that fingernail down in those threads and back it out. See if I can get any gunk off of that. And then we'll also grab the pivot barrel. Oops. Trying to drop it. Alright. Get that wiped off. Alright. So I'm going to grab this show side, put the pivot back in, pivot barrel. It is a D-shaped captive pivot, and drop the pivot out again, or the stop pin out again. And that D shape, you can see the flat side there, goes toward the bottom on this one, which then ends up putting that Fintiso in the correct orientation there. Alright, let's put that stop pin back on. Grab one of the bearings and put that in place. I'm going to grab the gunny glide, put a little dot of gunny glide on each side of the pivot there. Let's put that blade into place. And again, put that other bearing on. Little dot on each side. And also we're going to put a dot of eagle out there on that detemp ball. Okay. Position that in place and get everything hopefully fit together there. We're going to grab that pivot screw and put a little bit of Loctite there, and then we'll get that started. All right, we'll switch off to the T6. Drop those 2 screws in. Normally don't put any Loctite on the body screws. Very rarely do I have a body screw. Try to walk out. Try to work itself loose. If I do, then we can take a look at it. But otherwise, let's get that positioning off there. There we go. It's wanting to be difficult with lining up, so, but I think we'll get it here. There we go. And we'll get this one here. I like the pop of color there with the backspacer / lanyard hole. We'll tighten that up. We'll check this one as well. Make sure that's tight. All right, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and close it. No movement, and it's centered. The action's feeling good. I'm actually going to grab that T8 again and back off just a little bit. See if that changes anything. Actually, it changed the centering, so we'll go back just a little bit. There we go. Good to go. There you have it. Disassembly and cleaning of the Fintiso Falcon. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Please leave a comment. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And thanks for watching.